Kasavanda Bharati vs Union of India case, judgment full details. The Kasavanda Bharati v. State of Kerala case, commonly known as the Kasavanda Bharati case, is a landmark judgment of the Supreme Court of India delivered on April 24, 1973. The case involved a challenge to the Kerala government's attempt to acquire land belonging to a temple in the state, but it eventually evolved into a constitutional challenge to the power of Parliament to amend the constitution. In a 7-6 majority decision, the Supreme Court held that the power of Parliament to amend the constitution was not unlimited and that it could not alter the basic structure or the essential features of the constitution. The court further held that the constitution was supreme and that all actions of the government, including constitutional amendments, must conform to its provisions. The judgment was significant in shaping India's constitutional history and establishing the principle of judicial review of constitutional amendments. It placed certain fundamental rights beyond the reach of constitutional amendments and defined the limits of parliamentary power to amend the constitution. Here are some of the key points of the Kasavanda Bharati case judgment. The majority held that the Constitution of India had a basic structure that was not subject to the amending power of Parliament. The court did not define the exact contours of the basic structure, but held that it included certain fundamental features such as the supremacy of the constitution, the rule of law, democracy, the principle of federalism, and the separation of powers between the executive, legislature, and judiciary. The court held that Parliament could amend any provision of the constitution, including fundamental rights, so long as it did not alter the basic structure of the constitution. The majority held that the preamble to the Constitution was an integral part of the Constitution and could not be amended to change the basic features of the Constitution. The judgment also upheld the right of the judiciary to review constitutional amendments and strike them down if they violated the basic structure of the Constitution. Overall, the Kasavanda Bharati case judgment was a significant moment in Indian constitutional history, setting out the principle of the basic structure doctrine and firmly establishing the power of judicial review over constitutional amendments.